Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. I actually wanted to ask you, I'm testing out my new iMac, and I don't know if I have everything set up the right way. So you can let me know down in the comments section if the stream quality is the same, if it's better, if it's worse. I just want to make sure I make all of these adjustments before tomorrow's free live trading session. So just a little heads up, you guys did get my previous video to over 1.5K likes. I asked you, I just wanted enough people to show up. So tomorrow at market open, set your alarms. I will be hosting a free live trading session. So if you've ever wanted to see what it's like to see someone buy and sell, then please make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up on this video, and turn on your post notifications so you get alerted when it is that I go live for free on YouTube. With that being said, what do you need to prepare for tomorrow, right? So after a great performing day. I mean, TQQQ gapped up about 3% during normal trading hours and then gapped up another 3, almost 4% after market hours. You might be asking, well, why? Why did this happen? Amazon reported earnings, and although they missed their earnings per share, they beat expectation. Not only just that, but it's actually Apple that beat expectation and their earnings per share, but Apple just didn't jump as much as Amazon. Overall, 13.63% is what we saw for Amazon as the gap up. And then on Apple, we saw a 2.97% gap up. You also have to take into consideration, in comparison to Apple and Amazon, it's not twice as large, but Amazon's market cap is 1.24 trillion. Apple's market cap is 2.55 trillion. So pretty much double of the market cap when it comes down to Apple versus Amazon. With that being said, what is to expect for tomorrow? So there are still a couple of companies that are going to be reporting earnings. In my opinion, nothing too significant. During our live session, again, because I'm going to be going live right at market open, we're going to be covering the PMI report that is set to be released 15 minutes after the market opens. If you tune on into our free live trading session tomorrow, you'll make sure that you catch that. And then the consumer sentiment report is 30 minutes after the market opens, and we will also capture that in tomorrow's free live trading session. Before we go live, this is actually 1 hour prior, there's going to be the PCE report and then also a personal spending and personal income report that is all released 1 hour before the market opens. The reason I want you to be aware of this is if you see during the pre-market session, so this means that before the market opens, if your stock or your investments begin to move, then it's most likely because of what was reported. If you have any questions about this, again, during our live trading session tomorrow at market open, I'll make sure that I answer those for you. I also wanted to keep you guys up to date with where the market is currently at as of right now. It looks like this is where the NASDAQ future is. We hit highs of nearly 12,000, if I'm not mistaken, 12,900 and almost 12,925. We retraced back all the way down to 12,888, and it looks like we're almost making these lower highs and lower lows. As of right now, the NASDAQ market, and again, a lot of this has to do with Amazon and Apple's earnings because they were so positive. And the thing that the thing that I want you to understand is when companies have such a large market cap, you heard me talk about it, right? Apple in the 2 trillions, Amazon in the 1 trillion. And when they report positive or negative earnings, they can influence overall markets. So the NASDAQ market or the NASDAQ index has a big focus on tech. So then you can then understand, why is the NASDAQ market up so much after market hours? 1.29%. You guys can see it down here. If you don't see it down here, then I'm sure you guys were aware of this based off of how the market was trading. So you can see it right here, 1.29%. Why does this happen? I want you to understand why. Well, again, these big companies that have large market caps, depending on how they report earnings, depending on how they move, can also influence overall markets, which can move other stocks that have nothing to do with Apple or Amazon. So we will see if we actually hold in the green. There are many times that they might be in the green after market hours, but by the time that the market opens, especially with the PMI report coming out tomorrow, this thing could pull back and or it could be trading higher, right? So I'm very excited to follow up. I'd be more than happy to have you guys, if you guys wake up in time, right? I know it's asking a lot since we're all in different time zones. If you're in Arizona, market opens at 6:30 a.m. It's something that I personally do every single morning for our Learn Plan Profit group. If you're in the East Coast, the market opens at 9:30 a.m. You guys get to sleep in a little bit more than we do over here. I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew what to expect for tomorrow when it comes down to the different reports. You guys were kept up to date on not only what caused the market to go up after market hours, but where it currently stands. So again, I'd love to host you for tomorrow's live trading session. If you want to join us, all you literally have to do is wake up and show up to this channel, and I'll be hosting that free live stream. Make sure that you subscribe just so YouTube will alert you when it is that I go live. And if you have any questions before the live trading session, then feel free to message me via Discord, and that's that first link in the description. And yes, it is for free. We have over 45,000 members, and we'd love to answer any question you might have even before you join us by tomorrow. So really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that it earned a thumbs up. I really do apologize for the late upload. This thing just took a little bit longer than expected. And again, friendly reminder, we are almost coming to an end for the TechBud staycation. So for every $1 you spend on the site, it equals 5 automatic entries. So you guys can head on over to shoptechbuds.com or click the 4th link in the description of this video. And again, it can be anything from mouse pads, anything from aluminum art, it can be day trading art, flags, accessories, even apparel. Every $1 equals 5 automatic entries. We're going to be flying out 3 lucky winners for a 3-day staycation, all expenses paid, hanging out with me and the team. And I hope one of you guys ends up winning. So again, I'll see you for our live trading session. And other than that, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.